this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money by just doing nothing, right? You don't have to design anything or work anything on the site in order to make money. Now, before I start this video, I just want you guys to know that on my videos, I do not waste your time. I just go straight to the point, so I don't act like other YouTubers that, waste your time for no reason. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the site that you want to look at is called templatemonster.com. It's really simple. Now, what are we going to be doing on this site? We are going to be designing templates and selling them. That's what the site does. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I can't design templates. Well, don't worry. I'm going to show you a free site that's going to let you design templates. You're not even going to be designing. You're just going to be copying their template and pasting it here and making money. People are doing this because 1.3 million people visit this site every single week and every single month. So that shows that there's a lot of money to be made on this site. But yeah, so what are we going to be doing? We're going to be designing resume templates. That's what we're going to be doing. So click on all products here, go to graphics and click on resume templates. I'm just going to show you guys an example, right? So once you click on that, it's going to give you this page. Now, as you guys can see, these are templates that people submitted on the site. So you guys can see this person submitted this template. It's really easy. $13 for this person $5, this person $10, and these are people that just joined. As you guys can see, this person just got 3 sales. These are like newbies. We haven't even got to people that are making thousands of sales, right? So how do you get these templates for free and just come and paste them on this site and start making money? Well, I'm going to show you guys the free site that you need to get. But first, you need an account on templatemonster.com. So what you want to do is click on start selling. As you guys can see here, if you click on start selling, it's going to take you to this page. Don't worry about all this. Just click on become an author. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Now, this is your sign up page. Now, it's basic. Email, password, agree to terms and condition, boom, blah blah blah. No time to waste. I have done this before, so I'm just gonna log in and probably show you guys how you can start earning with this site. Now, it's really easy because all you're gonna be doing is just posting the templates. We're just gonna download the template from the free site, which I will show you guys later on in this video, and you come to this site and you post it. So once you're in your dashboard, after logging in, this is what you're going to get, right? So make sure you click on products here. Now, once you click on product, it's going to load up this page for you. Now, this is where we are going to be adding our products, but we don't have any product to add right now, right? So let's go to the free site that I'm talking about that will let you do this. So the site I'm talking about is called create.fister.com. That's the name of the site. Now, as you guys can see, it says design it your way, blah blah blah. It's basically a design site, but you are not designing anything, trust me. So what you need to do, if you come to the site without wasting time, is click on sign up. Right now, once you click on sign up, it's basically simple, right? You are just gonna sign in, put your email and stuff, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna show you that because that's wasting of time. So if you log in, you're gonna get this page, which is basically the same home page, right? So I'm already logged in. Now, what we need to search for, remember, the example in this video is we are going to be selling resume templates, right? You could sell Instagram posts, video, blah blah blah. There are a lot of templates that you can download from this site for free, but the one we're going to be doing is resume template. So we are just going to search for resume here, and once we search for resume, as you guys can see, it says resume here. Just click on that and it'll give you the whole list of the resume templates that are available on this site. So as you guys can see, once it loads up like this, look at all this. These are all templates. There are hundreds of templates here that you can just click on and then customize it if you want. If you don't want to customize it, there is no problem. Just click on it, download it, and it's simple. So once you click on it, you get the download button and you can download the template for free. And once you download the template for free, all you have to do is come over to the product page in Template Monster that we stopped at before. Just come over here, click on add new product. So if you click on add new product, now we have our product to add. All you have to do is click on select a product category. Now just type in resume. It's really simple because you don't have any time to waste. So So just type in resume. It's going to show you printable resume templates. Click on that one. Click on next, and then you could basically put in anything you want. It's now your product, right? You could put the name, product name, topic, you name it. And once you do all this, you can just add everything that's here. You can put your price. You can see you could change the price from $13. You can take it up 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and even like any amount you want, right? And the good thing about this site is you get paid through PayPal. They have a lot of payment methods, so you don't have any problem. So once you're done, all you have to do is click on this button here that says upload. It's really simple. Once you fill in all this box, just click on upload, and your product will be live, and it will come to this page right here. Your product will start showing on this page. So when someone just comes in here, pay you $5, $10, depending on the price that you put, you're just gonna make a sale straight up to your PayPal. It's really, really easy. It's free money, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like the fact that I just go straight to the point. So make sure you leave a like, subscribe if this helped you. This is what I do on this channel, find ways for you to make money, simple ways. So leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on another one.